how to turn off professional account on Instagram. In this video, I'm going to show you how to switch back to a personal account from a professional account on Instagram. And if this video helps you, please consider giving it a like and also subscribe to my channel, because that really helps me out. So to turn off professional account on Instagram, the first thing we need to do is open up the Instagram app on our iPhone or Android phone, then navigate to your profile by selecting the profile icon on the bottom right of the app. Once on your profile, select the three lines in the top right and then select Settings and Privacy. Once you open Settings and Privacy, scroll down a little bit and under for Professional, select Creator Tools and Controls. Once in Creator, scroll down to the bottom and you'll see Switch Account. Select that, and then all you need to do is select Switch to Personal Account, then just select Switch to Personal Account to confirm you want to turn off professional account on Instagram. If this video helped you, give it a thumbs up and please consider subscribing to my channel Tech Vibe. Thank you so much for watching.